Hello everybody, it's the festive season and what can I say? I'm a sucker for Christmas. We're going to be doing a cookie cutter or cookie shapes cut out of our chest tutorial. And for this I'm going to be taking a white pencil and mapping out the shapes of the cookies that we're going to be cutting out of my chest. I'm using a white pencil for this so that it's easy to rub away if I make a mistake. My cookie shapes I've chosen today is a candy cane, a Christmas tree, and a little gingerbread man. Then we're going to take some skin wax and we're just going to roll a little worm and we're going to start laying it down along our outlines. You're going to want to put the worm against your line and leave the one side of your worm exactly the same, and you're going to flatten the other half of your worm to lay it flat against the skin to make it look like the wax is part of your skin. If you find that the skin wax is not smoothing out as much as you would like, you can take some plain old Vaseline, put it on your fingers and use that to smooth out your wax. Part of the skin wax has to lay flat so that it looks as though it is your skin, and the other half will stay raised because you know that's the gory part that's raised and cut and gross. I'm then taking a red color from a bruise wheel and I'm just very lightly tapping that around the edges to make my skin look a bit inflamed. Just the barest amount of color just along the edges. I'm then taking a deep red color and a flat brush and I'm just packing it right along the edge of the wound. I'm doing this to make sure that you see that this is the most inflamed part of the wound. I'll then take the same fluffy brush with that light red on it and just use that to blend out the color a little bit and make it more soft and natural looking. Then take this deep lake blue color from my bruise wheel and I'm just laying that all over the wound. I do this because underneath the blood it'll show depth and it'll make it look like it's an actual cut and not just blood on top of my skin. Then I'm going to take some thick blood and I'm just going to pack it all inside my wound. I like to pack a little bit more blood than is necessary so that gravity can do its thing and let the blood ooze out of the wound a little. And there you have it. There is your gory special effects festive look. It's a little more creepy than your average festive look, but hey, it'll make the Christmas party a little bit more interesting.